There is no other city in the world for food and dining out like Tokyo, or a country so full of shokunin, artisans, as Japan. From hole-in-the-wall eateries to elaborate fine dining establishments, they say there is approximately 160,000 restaurants in Tokyo. In recent years, there has been a growing trend of more casual sushi restaurants, and Tachigui Sushi Tonari is one example of this trend. Tachigui means eating while standing, and is a chic take on the traditional way of enjoying sushi. Chef Yoshiki Hatano adds his own creative spin. This eggplant sushi, it's incredible, it's so good. And I don't know anyone who does it in Tokyo. Saba Noodles is a staple food originating from the Edo period. Soba Osame, run by soba master Kenji Osame, is considered one of the best sobayas in Tokyo at the moment. It's a really simple meal, served in this case with wasabi, salt, and some soba tsuyu. And the right etiquette to eat soba is to slurp it. So simple yet so good. The installation Eternal Affinity is a unique piece of artwork created by glass artist Yukito Nishinaka, located at the entrance of historic Honanin Temple in Kyoto. Nishinaka's installation is a modern interpretation of the traditional Japanese rock garden. The result is a beautiful and unique artwork that reflects both traditional Japanese culture and modern sustainability practices. We are at Hito, 3 Michelin-starred traditional kaiseki restaurant in Kyoto, and they are really the guardians of tradition. Crossing the doorstep of Hito is like traveling back in time. A typical kaiseki meal usually consists of an appetizer, a seasonal dish called hasun that reflects the current season, a sashimi dish, and a simmered and grilled dish, among others. It's really good. It's a very special place. You feel history on every corner. Chef Yoshinori Ishii is a constant inspiration in the cooking world. Here, at his new destination restaurant on the outskirts of Tokyo, Yoshi-san is head chef and also head ceramicist. He creates the food and designs the plates for the food to be served in. Thank you.
Cute.
That's beautiful. Here, he's still evolving and still inventing. Mandarin Oriental Hotel executive chef Daniele Casson would be considered a different kind of shokunin, a pizza shokunin.
We work a lot with Japanese ingredients.
Daniele's pizza with courgettes is a true celebration of summer textures and colors. His pizza toppings reflect not only each season, but also each micro-season. To finish it off, Daniele adds a delicate touch of courgette flowers, adding more color and a subtle sweetness. It's incredible. It's crispy, it's soft. The vegetables. Watching Daniele create his pizza is like watching any shokunin at the top of his game.